हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हो सब लोग? यार मैं तो तंग आ गई हूँ कोविड से। इस इस सिचुएशन या इस एरा को है ना, कोविड एरा डिक्लेयर कर देना चाहिए। जैसे बिफोर दिस एरा, आफ्टर दैट एरा, तो वैसे बिफोर कोविड एरा, आफ्टर कोविड एरा, है ना। मैं तो अभी वही बात करने वाली हूँ सबसे। क्या कहते हो आप लोग? और इस वीडियो में ना मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ कि लाइफ पहले कैसे थी, अब कैसे हो गई है, पॉजिटिव्स क्या है, नेगेटिव्स क्या है। वो जानने के पहले ना सबसे पहले लाइक करो वीडियो को, कमेंट करो और सब्सक्राइब करो, है ना। Before technology was developed, people used to enjoy nature, the family gathering, their own self. They used to cook together. Their immunity was very strong. No phones, nothing, no technology, no electricity, no net. Now people have forgotten themselves, and we have taken our lives for granted. Do you think it is good that every time being on phone? Why don't we enjoy our parents? Why don't we enjoy our children when they are there? Every time on phone, net, laptop, it's not a good thing. When COVID has come nowadays, people have started facing losses, but they don't understand. Enjoy the moments now, it will come never. It's like enjoy now or never. Let's see what are the positive and negative for that. The negatives are people are not able to meet their relatives, friends, either due to society restrictions, lockdowns, or someone over there has COVID. So everyone is doing video call either to the bosses, colleague, mom, dad. So the mental stress has gone a lot in tremendous effects because of the fear, panic attacks. Their fear is basically to go out. They are not able to meet anyone, so they have economic and mental worse condition. They have fear. They are not able to manage time, so they are having late nights. Expectation from house and offices have gone up. Retirement, how do we pay debts? There is a stress of payments. There is no sleep. There is no savings. Everything is overdue. Even the bills. They get headache. They get stressed. Their immunity goes down. Common psychological conditions have post-traumatic stress disorder, which rates in suicidal risk in every age group. High risk groups are children and adolescents because elderly people are not able to see them. But major stress causing are above 60, and they are even more tense. So please call them. They are socially isolated, so please talk to them once. If you don't even visit them, it's okay. It's for their own safety. Marriage gatherings cannot be attended more than 50%. Funeral functions restricted to 20%. So every social gathering has been limited. There is even limited number of shoppers in stores. All the event statuses have been cancelled due to COVID. So basically it's ban on everything, every events which were there. So people are not able to meet in person. When you meet them personally, it's high level of connection you feel with them, isn't it? Companies are facing losses except the food, which is a major importance all over the world. If you don't get food, obviously you're nowhere. You can see the major face loss is being in construction, travel, transportation. and what not. It's because of COVID. Work at home and work from home, it's not the same. People have stopped being on time. Time management isn't everything for them. You can see in the picture how busy she is, but still everyone wants something. The bills have gone very high, like the electric bill, the water bill. So this is the 5 tips which you can distress at home. See how we used to enjoy nature, and now nature has come back to us. Earth is healing itself. Now the positive side has come. Let's see what are the positive sides. People have increased buying eco-friendly Ganesha than POP ones. The hobbies have increased, either it is painting or gymming. Healthy foods have come, we are making at home. Online meetings have initialized. See how nature has come back to us. Wow, it is so beautiful. The pollution levels have come down in all cities in the world. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment to my channel. Thank you.